So hi everyone, I hope you are doing well and welcome to this first session, live class session, and I hope that you will be benefiting from it. As you can see, we are going to deal with the first lesson on this series of live sessions, and it's gonna be the verb to be, one of the most important verbs in the language, the English language, the verb to be. Okay, so we know that each verb has so many forms. So we're going to start with the affirmative form. And then the negative form, and the third one is the interrogative form. So before moving to deal with the first form, I just want to clarify that the verb to be is used in so many tenses, and it's widely used in speaking and writing as well. Before I start, I would like to ask you to share this live session so that so many other people might benefit from it, and hopefully that more people will join the session. So this is the first part. We are going to deal with the affirmative form. So the first thing we have to know is the subject pronouns. We have I, we have you, we have he, she, it, then we have we, you, and they. This group here is singular, and this one is plural. All right? So I for me, you for you, he for masculine, she feminine, it for objects, things, and places. For the plural, we, you, and they. Right? Now let's move to how we use, or how do we use the verb to be with these subject pronouns. Right? So I am. This is the verb to be in simple present, okay? Affirmative form. I am, you are, he is, she is, and it is. So this is the verb to be in simple present tense. We are, you are, and they are. So we have three forms of the verb to be in simple present, which is is, and are. We can also say your, his, she's, and it. Where, your, and there. This is full form, and this is short form. Now let's use these forms in a sentence or in sentences. Okay, we say, for example, we say I am a student. So this is the verb to be, this is the subject pronouns, and this is the object of the verb. You are my friend. He is from England. She is our teacher. And it is a beautiful day. We are happy. You are nice, and they are in class 8, for example. So apparently this is the form of the verb to be in simple present affirmative form. So let's just make a quick review before moving to the second form, which is the negative form. So as I said, we are dealing with the verb in this first live sessions that we are going to publish in our Facebook page. We are going to deal with these three forms of the verb to be: affirmative form, negative form, and interrogative form. And we have to know before moving to the verb to be. I said that we should know this the personal pronouns: I, you, he, she, and it, and we, you, and they. Then I said that we have three forms of the verb to be, which is is, and are. Then we moved to the full form and the short form. We say I am in the full form and am in short form. You are, he is, she is, and it is. All right, and then we have we are, you are, and they are. Then we made some sentences here. Nice. So we have sentences. A student. You are my friend. He is from England. She is our teacher. It is a beautiful day. We are happy. We are happy. You are nice, and they are in class 8. Right. So this is the first part of this lesson, which is the verb to be in the affirmative form. Now we'll move to the second part, which is the negative form. As we know in English, to make something negative, we add not. This is very important to know. Right, so it's clear that the verb to be, I said we have three forms, which is, and are. So I am, you are, he is, she is, and it is, plus not. We are, you are, and they are. And then we make our sentences. So this is the form of the negative form in English. I am not, you are not, he is not, and she is not. Right? Okay, so this is, as I said, the form of the verb to be in negative form, simple present. Let's make some sentences. Okay, I am not at home, which means I am not at home. I'm somewhere else. I'm not at home. You are not. You're not in class. He is not my brother. She is not our sister. It is not a big house. We are not happy. You are not or not at school. They are not from here. Mhm. So this is the some sentences in the negative form. Now we move to short form and full form of the negative form. So I'm not. It stays I'm not. You are not becomes you aren't. He is not becomes he isn't. She is not becomes she isn't. It is not becomes it isn't. Then we are not becomes we aren't. Then you aren't are not becomes you aren't. Then they are not becomes they aren't. Huh? Good. So this is the negative form. After this, we'll move to the interrogative form. As we know, the interrogative form means that we have a question. We have a question. And to make a question, we have the rule of subject verb inversion. Okay, so it's like inverting the verb and the subject. For example, we have I am happy. This is an affirmative sentence. We have the subject, we have the verb, and we have the object, which is an adjective. Now, to make this sentence interrogative, we have to invert the subject and the verb. So it will become I, which is am I happy? And then we add a question mark. Then we add a question mark, and then we'll need two answers, yes and no. Yes, I am, or I am, no, I am not. So this is the just an introduction to the interrogative form. Okay. Now let's talk about the verb to be in affirmative, in the interrogative form. Okay. So we have am I, are you, is he, is she, is it, are we, you, are they. So this is the verb to be in interrogative form. Now let's take some sentences, some examples. Let's have some examples. Okay, first one, which is, are you a student? Question mark. Now we need an answer. So we have yes or no questions. So yes and no. Yes, I am, or no, I am not. 2. Is he from here? Yes and no. Yes, he is, and no, he isn't. Remember short form. 3. Is she a doctor? Yes, she is, or no, she isn't. Nice. 4. Is it your book? Yes, it is, or no, it isn't. 5. Are we in the same class? Yes, we are, or no, we aren't. 6. Are they brothers? Yes, they are, or no, they aren't. All right. So let's make a quick review. Let's make a quick and before moving to the exercises that are in front of us. So remember this. We have three forms. We have affirmative form, we have negative, we have so we have I, you, he, she, and it, and then we said that these are singular pronouns. Then we have we, you, and they. So for the affirmative form we say I am, you are, he is, she is, it is. We are, you are, and they are. Nice. In the negative form, same pronouns, I, you, he, she, and it. We, you, and they. So we say I am not, you are not, she is not, he is not, she is not, and it is not. Sorry. We are, you are not, and they are not. Now for the interrogative form, we say I, are you, is he, is she, and is it. Now are we, are you, and are they. So these are the three forms of the verb to be, okay? Nice. Now let's have a look at these exercises that we have in front of us.